Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. Let's talk about why your old windows are costing you so much money. Let's get into it. For all you homeowners out there that have these single pane windows, old wood windows, even dual pane aluminum windows from the 90s and 80s, you guys are probably dealing with a lot of heat gain in your house during the summer, and probably when it's windy outside, your windows might be whistling, they're drafting real bad, and in the colder months, whenever you're introducing heat into your home, when you have these older windows in your house, it's costing you a lot more to maintain the environment that's friendlier for you inside your house. During the summer months, you're constantly running your AC if you have one. And in the winter months, you're probably running your heater often, maybe constantly, depending on where you're at, to try to keep the inside of your house nice and warm. How much money do you think that's costing you? I'm sure you know whenever you're looking at your bills. The biggest thing that most people can do, one of the most best improvements, not just because I'm in the window industry, but because I believe in it, it is to replace your windows. If you live in like Temecula, beautiful Temecula, or if you live in Palm Springs, that's a daily occurrence. You know, in the summer months, to replace your windows with a very high performance window changes the game for you. It can save you so much money. Whenever I'm talking to customers about replacing your windows, I don't talk about how much it's gonna cost anymore. I talk about the investment. How much of an investment this is for your property. So it makes the property more valuable by doing the windows, but it also makes the temperature inside your home so much nicer. Summer, winter, whatever, you name it. So the money that you're spending on your bill that comes in $500, $600, $700, I've heard of this. I mean, it's especially nowadays, it can get to $1,000 a month just because of the power bill. How much you're running your AC to feel comfortable, how much you're running your heater to feel comfortable. By changing out your windows to either a dual pane or a triple pane, depending on where you live in this, it's going to change the game for you. The upfront investment, 20 grand, 30 grand, 40 grand, whatever it is, depending on how big your house is, over time, is going to pay itself off. So again, I know I'm in the window industry and I do sell windows to people, but I firmly believe in this. And I also firmly believe in making sure your roof is fantastic. I'm not a roofer, but make sure your roof is fantastic, right? Make sure the exterior of your house is fantastic. These are all things that are protecting you and your family. And invest into your home. Put brand new windows and doors into your home, and I think you're gonna love them way more than that bill that you're gonna be getting every single month. All right, guys, make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.